Kamusta? Nababakabalen? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank our Breggy for sending us this very lovely box. Take a look at this. Wow! Napaka-millennial ng mga pangalan nila. So if you notice, like Totga, you have Hugs, Care, Hope, Kiss, Heart, at saka yung Baby. And they also sent us, I think these are menu, no? So starting at 119 pesos tayo. The highest is actually 159 pesos, which is the Totga. So ang mga product po nila are actually premium toasted bread. And they have 7 variants as of now. Ang laki nito. I think each sandwich is good enough for complete meal. First off, yung pinaka-bread nila is not dry. In itself, it actually has flavor, no? Yaman, ha? Hugs is beef bulgogi. Ayan! So, ang flavor pala ng Hugs is beef bulgogi, okay? So, next I wanna try is one of their spicy sandwich. Then, it's called spicy samgyeopsal. From the name itself, it's very Korean, sweet, it's sour, it's salty, and then yung bean paste, yun, very evident siya. So if you're into, you know, Korean flavor, go for this one, spicy samgyeopsal. So next I wanna try is yung kanilang, this is the Care. So it has cheese, spam, and nori. Nori in itself has a distinctive flavor, no? So medyo smoky yan. Wow! Naman, ha? One more bite, guys. One more bite. But this is how it looks like inside. Ayan. So yun, guys, a little bit of history or background. Established po siya ng 2022. So just this year. And the day na video namin to, they actually have a February Love Month promo. Ayan. So make sure to check out their fan page. You can actually save 42 pesos for the bundle. Just, you know, just check it out. Ito. Alright. So yun. I've tasted 3 so far. If you are to ask me which one is my pick, I think this one. Ito yung ano, bulgogi. Bacon and cheese. This one. Oh, Totga. The one that got away. So mayroon siyang cheese, hash brown, bacon, and ham. This is super overload. So, ayun guys, if you are into these kinds of food, you wanna chill habang nanonood na Netflix, feel mo yung Korean movie, have a Korean sandwich. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers. Peace out, guys.